Welcome to Spirit Shack. This is our PIR Motion Alarm. So basically how this works is, there's a PIR motion sensor here. If anything moves in front of that sensor, it triggers the alarm, which gives you a red flashing light and also the loud siren. It comes with two remotes, both of them can turn it on and off. I'll just keep hold of one. So yeah, you press it once for on and you'll see the red light on, and then again for off and you'll see the green for off. This comes with the batteries already supplied, and this one you'll need to get some batteries, so it takes 4 AA. It's very loud, so you wouldn't want to be using it in the room you're working in. If you're working in a big building with multiple rooms, you can maybe put these in some of the rooms that are further away, and if anything triggers it, you're going to hear it at a distance, and as you get close to it you can turn it off with the remote. So a good thing about these, the same remote will turn, if you buy multiple packs of these, if you're wanting a lot of them, one remote will work with them all, which is quite handy. You don't want to be carrying 10 remotes around. But yeah, it's a really good device. If you want one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.